हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है सोर्सेज ऑफ डायरेक्ट करंट। सो डीसी करंट इसको नाम दिया गया है। डीसी मतलब डायरेक्ट करंट। सो वेन एवर करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन ओनली वन डायरेक्शन, that current is called direct current. Is for example, if I am drawing the graph of direct current, so graph is like this, only one direction it have, so its waves are like this. So there is no other polarity of direct current. So if we are talking about direct current, we use this type of direct current in only some devices. Otherwise, all the other devices are the source from the AC current. So फ्रॉम विच, अगर यहाँ पर इसका प्रिंसिपल देखा जाए तो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डायरेक्ट करंट इज द केमिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. So here chemical energy converted into electrical energy. So this is the simple fundamental of direct current. Okay. If we are talking about this direct current, so we use one cell which is made up of brass covering. So this is metal tip, right, like this, and this is its bottom. Okay. So here we are connected this cell with the one bulb like this, and circuit is completed now. So positive negative current is flowing from positive to negative. So some appliances just working on this cell, it is called pencil cell also. And in this material there are many dry chemicals like carbon is here we are just filling this cell with the carbon, then coating of copper, and the upper surface is made up of brass material, right? So that is our simple DC cell. So there are many DC cell, voltaic cell, Lagrange cell, पेंसिल सेल, बटन सेल, बहुत सारे सेल्स होंगे जो कि डायरेक्ट करंट को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, राइट? ओके, नाउ similarly direct current always have one positive terminal and negative terminal, and also current direction is also fixed positive to negative. Okay, now we are talking about direct current. So there are two type of basic fundamental cell. First is primary cell, yes, and second one is secondary cell. So what is primary cell? Primary cell, so whenever primary cell is simply converted chemical energy into electrical energy, it is only इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस. मतलब कि यहाँ पर एक ही डायरेक्शन में एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो सकती है, दूसरी ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में एनर्जी कन्वर्ट नहीं हो सकती. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल इज कॉल्ड यूज एंड थ्रो सेल, बिकॉज you can use only at one time, but after all the energy will be consumed by the user, then we have to throw this type of cells like pencil cell. Some pencil cell we can't recharge it, so this is not chargeable, so it is non chargeable use and throw type cell. Is for example many pencil cell, many button cell, voltaic cell, Lagrange cell. These all are primary cells because they are non-chargeable cells, right? We are talking about secondary cell, which is chargeable cell. Okay, so chargeable cell means there are two ways chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy, similar electrical energy converted into chemical energy, yes. So if we use first time by this chemical energy into electrical energy, and if all the chemical energy will be consumed by the user, what happens now? So we can charge, how we can charge the secondary cell? So we have to put here like this EMF which is greater than this EMF should be lesser than the actual battery. So for charging, I am drawing this diagram again for charging. So if this cell have 1.5 volt, I have to use greater than 1.5 cell here. So I am using like this, and the during the charging process, here I have kept a positive terminal, here I have kept a negative terminal. So always remember, during the charging process, the actual actual direction of electric current will be reversed when consumed it. So positive to negative, positive to negative. So here I have to put positive, and here I have to put negative. So this is positive now, this is yes, this is positive now, and yes, this is positive now, this is negative. So current is flowing through like this, but when we use this cell, current is flowing through in this direction, and at charging position current is flowing in this direction. So we have to kept this cell for charging, so we have to apply greater voltage than this. So then and then only this cell will be charged, like NIFE accumulator. So we can charge this type of cell, NIFE accumulator, which is nothing but one type of cell, and we can charge it by giving the greater EMF battery value, right? So that is the secondary cell. It is irreversible. This is only this is irreversible primary cell, and secondary cell is reversible. So there is a two way. जब डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है तो केमिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, बट चार्जिंग, ड्यूरिंग द चार्जिंग electrical energy will be converted into chemical energy, right? So if we are differentiate between these two, first irreversible, this is reversible. Second non chargeable, this is chargeable. Third primary cell, chemical energy only converted into electrical energy, but secondary cell there will be electrical energy also converted into chemical energy. So that's the third point. Yes. And now examples. एग्जाम्पल में फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल प्राइमरी सेल, वोल्टेइक सेल, लैक्लाइन सेल, सम बटन सेल, सम पेंसिल सेल. सेकेंडरी सेल, so mobile charge battery, some pencil cell. So these are all secondary cell which are chargeable, right? Similarly, I can write also in the example NIFE accumulator, so which is also one type of cell which can be charged, right? So these are the sources of direct current. अगर इसके और एक डिस्टिंक्शन की बात करें तो डिस्टिंक्शन में प्राइमरी सेल इज़ वेरी चीप वैल्यू, बट सेकेंडरी सेल इज़ वेरी कॉस्टली बिकॉज इट कैन reverse, it can charge, right? So this is very cheap and this is very costly. And another thing, primary cell have lesser value of voltage, and secondary cell have higher value of voltage. So these are the differentiation between primary and secondary cells. So that's it for today now. Please like and subscribe.